Let's make a simple greeting card with craft gel ink. As the first step, we need to make some paper flowers. So follow the steps I'm doing here to fold the paper and draw a petal. Here I'm using sticky notes, but you can try this with any kind of color paper. After folding, draw a petal shape and cut like this. As the result, you will get a cute flower like this. For this design, I'm using 3 flowers, but you can try this with more flowers if you like. Since I have cut my flowers with some light colors, here I'm drawing outlines with a matching bright color. Now we need to cut some leaves as well. So I'm cutting some leaves with light green color and drawing the outlines with a bright green color to match with my flower designs. And I think it's better to give a beautiful 3D look to the flowers and the leaves we cut with this method. Follow this step for all the flowers and leaves, and then we can arrange our card. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. As the final step, we can write our greeting and finish our card. So what do you think about this design?